How to change chat theme on Telegram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change your chat theme on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to change the chat theme on Telegram, it is very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Telegram application here. Once you launch the Telegram app, you will see this type of interface. Let's say that you are on a chat that maybe you want to basically change it or anything. It's very simple. Tap the three lines option and then of course go to settings, then go to chat settings, and right here you'll be able to see all the different types of chat settings that you like. So right over here you'll be able to go ahead and select any of the chat settings, and now whenever you come back, if you go to a specific chat, that is going to be your default chat settings on any of these applications or these chats. That's all it takes to go ahead and then basically change chat settings. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.